The Visayas currently holds the most number of golden ticket recipients so far.
Alright, so we'll give you a chance. It's a yes. See you in Manila.
Thank you!
Try to do something else. See you in Manila.
Buti mo pa yan, ha?
Itaob kaya ng Luzon ang record na ito? Lulusubin namin ang Clark, Pampanga. Susugurin ang Batangas. At dadagundong idol hunt sa Dagupan. As the search heats up, this is Pinoy Idol! Pinoy Idol! Pinoy Idol! At soon na kami Kenning, SM Clark, Pampanga at libo-libong Kapampangan and its neighboring provinces ang nakapila dito to show off their idol skills. Makapasok kaya sila dito sa #1 idol search ng bansa? This is Pinoy Idol! Katangkada. As early as 9 a.m., seryosohan na ang vocalization ng mga Pampangueños. Let's see how the first audition went inside the judges' room.
You'll never know what it's taken me to say these words, and now that I say them,
I've heard that so many times here in this audition. Huh? I think you're the best.
Yes, for me, yes.
Yes.
golden ticket!
Gold mine itong Angeles,
Kaya naman maaga pa lang, umulan na ng umaatikabong yes mula sa mga judges.
Para sa akin sila.
It's a yes.
I agree with Ogie. It's a yes.
It's a yes.
Thank you!
Yes, for me.
It's a yes.
It's a yes.
Golden ticket!
It's a yes.
It's a yes.
Kimberly!
Yes.
It's a yes.
Yes. Mukhang magagandahan mo pa eh. So, it's a yes.
Noon lahat no. Ngayon lahat yes.
Thank you, sir.
Will this next Pinoy Idol hopeful get positive results from the judges?
Hi, I'm Christian Pomaloy. I'm 24 years old. I'm a culinary student.
Aside from school, busy din tong si Christian sa pagsali sa bikini contest, model search, male pageants at kung ano-ano pang contest. And just recently, indie films naman ang pinagkakaabalahan niya.
Na gustuhan nila ako kasi mukha daw akong probinsyano. Yung role dun is, probinsyano, from D eh. So bagay na bagay daw sa akin.
I can never live the game this paper or what you friend. I know you know.
Mag-a-agree kaya ang judges?
For me, it's a yes.
Character yung boss mo eh. So,
Meron.
pwedeng sabihin na pag sinama ka sa lahat, ikaw lang yung may ganyan. So, it's a yes.
See you in Manila.
Congratulations.
Work harder, huh?
Work harder. Congrats.
Surely he'll work harder, especially now that Pinoy Idol has been added to the long list of competitions he joined.
Golden ticket! Watch out for me! Christian represent, y'all!
Clark auditions gave unknown individuals a time to shine, just like their celebrity relatives.
You're Ramoncito, right? Related ka daw kay Delia Razon and Leopoldo Salcedo.
Tita Delia po.
Ano mo siya?
Lola ko.
Paano mo siya naging lola?
Mother po siya ng daddy ko.
Eh si Leopoldo Salcedo, saan naman
Bali, napangasawa po ng lola ko. Tapos yung anak po nila, yung tita ko.
So may lahi kang artista. Sa ganon, di ba? So, pero gusto mo maging singer.
Apo.
It's really good to hear your voice say my name. It sounds so sweet. Coming from the lips of an angel. Hearing those words, it makes me weak.
Mother mo singer, right? Si Cyril?
Kilala na.
Cover Girl.
Okay, let's hear you. I'm excited already.
I keep on falling in and out of love with you. I never lost
never felt this way. How you give me so much pleasure, gives me so much pain.
So what do you think?
Hey, ako sa akin, you're very good. I'm proud na lumaki ka ng para kang nanay mo. Magaling kumanta.
The winner in the I Have the Most Popular Relative category is...
Yeah, Shirley Salonga.
Oo.
Okay, Salonga. Yung tatay mo, pinsan ng tatay ni Lea, tama ba yun?
Yung tatay ko po, yung tatay ni Lea, magpinsan po sila.
Okay.
Before the day I met you, my life is so unkind. But you are peace to my mind. As you make me feel, 'cause you make me feel, 'cause you make me feel like a natural woman. Oh,
Ramoncito, Meryl, and Shirley can now come out of the shadows of their famous relatives and have that chance to create their own niche in the entertainment industry. At kung marami ang nakatanggap ng yes, meron din namang hindi pinalad na makapasa sa mga judges.
I really would have traveled everywhere.
Roderick, it's not working.
Like your life, mine, light.
Oh no!
Don't you remember you told me you loved me, baby? Baby, 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 baby. Oh, I love you. I really do.
Yun na yun. Yun na yung kanyang kakayahan.
You got to not stop turning, baby.
Kala ko
You
tapos.
wanna impress me.
Alfred,
You can't reach your first.
okay na? Nakakapagod ka panoorin.
Ako gusto ko siya.
Ako napapagod ako. No.
it's a no.
No.
The culinary heart of the Philippines. Yan ang tawag sa Pampanga dahil maraming sikat na Filipino cuisine ay galing dito. Tulad na lang ng tocino at longganisa. Ang mga nag-audition dito, tuwa kaya sa panlasa na ating mga judges. Are they ready? Itong tocino to, ready na. Coming up, back-to-back na, side-by-side pa.
I'm still in love with you everywhere.
In this part of Luzon, biritan ang labanan.
They're fighting.
Para ka nakasabu.